I wanted to make a quick video showing how I repair the front portion of the shoe. In the previous videos, I discussed mostly how to repair the heel. So this is kind of an obvious step, but might be helpful to somebody. So essentially what I'm trying to do is put a bead around the front and then fill it in. So I'm going to show you right now how I fill this in, and then with a different shoe I'll show you kind of the steps of applying this part here. I usually just go half a bead from here to the toe, only because it's difficult to level the shoe out, and the product does tend to drift a little bit, so it's easier for me at least to put half a bead on, let it dry overnight, and then put a second part of the bead. But so let me just show you really quickly what I do here. It's not a precision operation. Just kind of get the Shoe Goo on, and then use your mineral spirits. And when it comes to mineral spirits, these are two types that I use that work really well. Some other brands sometimes are made differently and they don't work as well, but Jasco certainly does a great job, and Clean Strip is a good brand as well. Anyway, let me just spread this right here. Again, we're not going for pretty, just get it on. Try to make it as even as possible. And it's easy to do. So this initial bead kind of contains the middle portion, and it's not going to flow too much. That's pretty much done. So I'm gonna level this thing out like that as much as possible. So let me show you what I do in the front here. I don't use any tape or anything. So it's just to make sure your sole is clean. I usually use simple green to clean it and then let it dry. All I do is get a bead on like this. And then again, spread it out, and it's easy to control, as you can see. Pretty quick little operation. And if it runs over on the side, you can just bring it back in. So now I'm just going to let it dry overnight, do a second bead, let it dry another night, and then fill it in like I just showed you.